If you're using HighLevel, I don't think you should be starting from a blank account. I've built a complete library of website, funnels, automations, pipelines, and AI systems ready to use snapshots that can save you weeks of setups inside your HighLevel account. In this video, I'm going to show and open up everything so that you can show and learn exactly what's inside, and then show you how you can take one of these systems, customize it for your business, and actually start using it. And some of these are systems I've personally built and for years working inside HighLevel. So welcome to this video and enjoy the free resource that's available for my community members. All right, what you're seeing right now is my HighLevel, and guess what? I have spent years building some of these resources which I've implemented for my clients. I've charged thousands of dollars for, but I am now giving it away to free for every community members, every YouTube viewers, and every Facebook friend that always been by my side and always been following me. And guess what? This is available for free. You don't have to sign up anywhere. You don't have to pay a penny. This is suitable for both of these people who are already having high level account and looking for the best resources, so they do not have to start everything from scratch. And also those newbies who are starting high level but are looking for the best free available resources on the internet so that they can implement faster. And me, Pritam, having been in the industry for the over 5 years, helping over 100 plus clients, take it from me because I'm going to help you out in the best way possible. All right. The first and the most important part I really like is AI Studio. Even though AI Studio is in beta, I'm quickly going to show you everything that you're going to get. By the way, this is my high level up community, but I'll go into the classroom right away here. And this is the high level account setup. This is the complete snapshot that you are going to get, right? Which I'm going to give you a complete walkthrough. By the way, the complete walkthrough is also available here. But when you click on this snapshot here, this is exactly where you will be able to get the link, right? And let me show you everything that you are going to get. These are all the tutorials that you're going to get: funnel tutorials, website tutorials, forms and survey tutorials, automation pipeline setup tutorials, right? Whether you want to import a contact tutorial, website, funnel, domain setup tutorial, right? You're also going to get a connect your subdomain tutorial. You're also going to get how to connect your email tutorial, domain tutorial. These are very complicated stuff that normally people do not share, but guess what? I'm all sharing all of these inside the same account so that you can learn everything from scratch. Now here is the AI Studio templates, which is what is there inside the snapshot. And these are pretty awesome to me because they look fantastic, and you can click pixel perfect of any of all of these templates without having you to do anything at all. Let me show it to you one of these. This is one is the modern roofing website that you possibly need if you have modern roofing company or you want to sell this as a done for you website service. I just look at the beauty, the clean professionalism, the quality that you could literally add to this particular website. You could literally change anything here, and guess what? These are high professional end websites, right? People would normally charge $3,000 to $5,000 for website automations, design services, copywriting, everything. But you can use this and implement for absolutely free and charge a few $1,000s, but you have absolutely zero overhead cost. Now, this is the reason why people join this community, because this is amazing. This is the quality that we have been producing, and this is the quality that we always do for our clients. And why not for our viewers and members who have been supporting me for years and years, and I'm really happy to provide something like this to my community members. So this is about one of my absolute best companies that I have created here. Again, look at the quality. Nothing on this sparks or screams simple website, right? You could literally charge a few $1,000s for this, and I really, really love this one. But let me take you to the other one, which is our modern insurance website. Again, this is the one that I created inside AI Studio. You could literally add it inside your business and sell it to different kind of agencies: legal, insurance, right? These kinds of finance agencies, and anybody could use these ones. They are professional, they look absolutely stunning, and guess what? People are paying thousands of dollars for these ones. Not just the website, because I always tell now that you have to set your website, landing pages, funnels, automation services, everything literally, and people can make a lot of money out of it. And that's what you can do, right? No overhead charges, right? Take the snapshot for free, implement inside your high level account, and make the most of it. That's the only thing that I Would love to wish for you. And yeah, this is everything that you get here. This is lovely. And by the way, all of this is for free. You don't have to sign up anywhere literally. And all of this again is desktop, tablet, and mobile optimized. Let me show it to you the modern dental website which I created a few months back for one of my clients. But guess what? You are going to get it for free, no charges, literally, right? That is beautiful dental website, and this could literally be transformed into any medical website that you might think of. Change the image, change the text, and you have it, right? It's 95% done for you. Only 5% small changes that you literally want to make is something that you could do. Apart from that, it's super easy to change, it's super efficient, it's super branded. I used to charge a few $1,000s for this. I still charge for a few $1,000s for this to the right client, because they want, of course, they want personalized service, they want expert in their team. But for you who's just starting out, you don't have to spend a few $1,000s to hire an expert. Just take it from me, because just the quality speaks for itself. I don't have to really do it on my own. I look at this modern real estate website that I designed, for our community members, and just look at the experience that you get from this particular website. It is absolutely clean, professional, and stunning. That's the quality that I've been striving for years. And I'm happy to provide this to my community members, to my viewers, to my friends on Facebook. Literally, if you're not following me on Facebook, go ahead, guys. I really love to hear back from you. Follow me. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, anything. I always respond. So, yeah, these are for you. Just look at this multi-page, stunning looking website that you could literally sell to any of your right clients. Now, this is what I always say. You could sell to any of your right clients. You have to get the right client because you have the zero overhead charges, because you have the best quality possible on earth, right? So this is there. And just look at it. Look at it. Like every single page, detailed one. And yes, this, if somebody asks me inside the community, Pritam, can we just change this into a private funnel, like, or a booking funnel? Of course, yes, of course, right? Even though it has multiple pages, you could literally remove these pages and restructure the sections here, which will take you lesser time, like 90% lesser time, and 100% better outcome. No questions about that. Now look at it. If you ever wanted an AI customer support, voice support, or AI voice company, if you ever wanted, this is the agency website that you always wanted to have, but you never had, right? This is the quality that when I'm speaking about quality, this is what I mean. Like, quality speaks for itself. I don't have to do it on my own. Now this is what you see here. Look at the quality. I literally love everything that I see here, and this is absolutely stunning and attractive, right? This is simple, clean, professional website that you get to see from me. And guess what? This is also a multi-page website. Now, all thanks to me and my team, which has been working tirelessly for the last few months in order to develop all of this and provide it to my clients. Right? That's the beauty of these designs. Just look at them, and you can see the effort that we have put into building all of that. Now, this is what I really love about my team, and that's the quality. Now, let me show you something else, which is the coaching. It's a modern coaching website that I created. And this was created a few months back again. But yeah, you get to have it for free, zero charges on you. And just look at the quality. I mean, this is these are all intentionally designed. These are not something very basic. I mean, you could make so much out of these details, and to the right audience, the right client, right customer. You do not have to even explain. People just look at it and they see it and they understand you are a professional in your field. And yeah, you just need to use them in the right way. By the way, those were the AI studio templates. Let me please show it to you, everything that else you get. If you get into the site section here, you get a lot of funnels that I created for my clients, for my business, and I'm giving away to you for absolutely free. First is the lead generation funnel and snapshot, right? Just look at this particular lead generation funnel. It's a multi-page funnel built for fitness professional, right? And again, beautifully crafted, and it's 100% built inside the page builder, which basically means that you do not have to use AI to customize all of it. And this is multi-page. Do you see that? Right? And then you have the other ones, which is, let me quickly show it to you, the lead gens appointment booking funnel. Again, this is a proper lead generation funnel that we designed for one of our clients. And guess what? It looks absolutely freaking amazing. You could run ads to this, right? You could run organic traffic to this, and this will convert, right? And this is the multi-step coaching funnel that I just built for one of my clients. And guess what? This is a multi-step funnel. It has multiple pages. One is, of course, the lead generation page here that we need. And I can, of course, add the form here. And then we have the thank you and the bridge page, which basically is used for when people sign up already. This is where you can thank them, greet them, let them know that they have downloaded it and it's available on the email, let's see. And this is the bridge page that, hey, if they're interested, they could then click below and get to the next page. By the way, let me tell you one thing. This is powered by custom values, which basically means that the name with which they enter to your funnel, this is what it's going to show you. So this becomes a personalized funnel for you, ladies and gentlemen, right? And then we have the appointment and sales funnel. This is the main funnel that you could use in your business in order to send people to book an appointment with you, which is also what people are going to get if they click on learn below. And again, this is powered by CSS, right? Beautiful design graphic done by me and my team. We have spent a lot of time, effort, and money in order to create this. You could definitely tell from the quality. And guess what? None of this is available for free anywhere, but apart from people inside my community and in people who are viewing it, right? And then we have application page, book the calendar page, calendar confirmation, all of that is available there. And guess what? Again, as I said, these are all super customized, which basically do anything. Again, as you can see, hey, that's not the end. There's going to be a name on it. The moment somebody schedules a call, you can add a video on this. And as you can see, these are empty because these are pre-viewing because there's nobody booked on it. The moment somebody will book on it, they'll have their joining me date, time zone, everything. So that's for the multi-step booking page. And then we have customer checkout funnel page, because a lot of businesses has asked me this question that, Pritam, I do webinars, I do sessions where I just need to take them to a checkout page. No sales page, no bulky landing page, nothing like that. Just a premium checkout page which explains everything in detail, and that's pretty much what I'm looking for. Now, if that's you, then this is something that you need to have inside your business. Because look at this satisfactory, neat, clean, premium checkout page that you can just take up and add inside your account. And then you have also have the order confirmation page. So the moment somebody checks out with your business, this is what they get to see. Again, beautifully done, neat, clean, and professional. Right. The quality, again, these are all editable, so you don't have to use AI in order to do it. And this is a personal branded funnel. This is one of the templates that I've handpicked from the template library for my viewers, and you could use them anytime you want inside your HighLevel account. It should be available in your HighLevel account as well, but I just did the effort in order to pick the best ones, because as a viewer, you always deserve the best from me. Again, this is one of the course funnels that I did, beautifully done and handpicked from the template library that you will normally see inside the HighLevel account. Now, apart from that, what you get to have is, let me see if you have any website that I can show it to you. Of course, we have multiple page website. We have a modern startup multi-page website, premium roofing website, and food business website. Let me quickly show it to you, the premium roofing website that I have created. I created this after a lot of effort years ago, and people are paying money to just to have this particular website. And I have charged a few $1,000s for to people just to have this premium website that I designed for them. And the beauty of this is this 100% custom design, and this nowhere looks like a normal HighLevel website. Just look at the quality, right? This is what people get when they simply sign up for HighLevel under me. But I'm going to give it to you for absolutely free at zero cost. Like, you don't have to pay anything to anybody, right? And that's just there. This is the quality, ladies and gentlemen, that I was speaking about, right? Beautifully done. Now, what I'm going to do the next here is, and it's a multi-page website, so you can enjoy with it. And then we have automations, like a super important part. We have multiple automations that I have designed for myself, for my clients, and I'm giving it away to all of those people who wanted to grow their business. And these are tons of automations. For example, you can see appointment booking, multiple order step automation, lead immediate nurture, custom hot replied, appointment booking reminder, no show. Again, these are all my favorite automations that are always used for every single business, and you will definitely need to be using them for your business too. So by any chance you always wanted to have something like this, you got it, ladies and gentlemen. You got it now. The entire library is available for free to my people. Yeah, all of you have to do is just get access to it. If you by chance have not get access to it, just let me know in the comments or let me know in the DMs wherever you are watching this video from, and I'll be happy to help you in every way possible. By the way, All of this is now available inside my school community, which is why I call the High Level Lab. You just need to type the highlevellab.com. You should be able to see it right below it. And guess what? This is where everything starts. This is where my community, my training, my resources are all available for absolutely free. By any chance, if you are an already existing high level user and you want to grow your high level business and need Pritam by your side, then you can grow and join our premium community, because this is our premium community. This is exactly where you can come in, ask question, join our live session that we are doing every single week. Not just that, we also do classroom sessions where you have these kind of training videos, high level account setup, voice AI tutorial, conversation AI bot, AI studio, AI prompts, SaaS marketing agency template, real estate marketing agency snapshot, home service contracting snapshot, coaching Q&A recordings. Everything that you possibly need is now available here. Let me know in the comments if you really want access to everything here. By the way, the premium community is available at $47 per month or $447 per year at the time we're speaking. We can increase the price, but that's not available now. We've finished our lifetime deal, and guess what? This is the access that you are going to get here. This is our free community, which also the link should be in the description box, and you get tons of resources here as well. So let me know in the comments if you're interested to get access to this, and I will assure that you get everything. And I'll see you in the next one.